The 42, David Stites out of Canyon Lake, sponsored by Well & Sons Racing. Next to him is Lanny Savage, the 36 out of Fontana. He's sponsored by Rivera Towing. Run number 2 on the inside, the guy second in points, sponsored by Inland Rigging out in the way, Ethan Kintop. With him in that row, Hooper Valley, the guy who is third in points, sponsored by Harley's Custom Cycle Works, Well & Son Racing, that's James Keller. To the back row on the inside, the number 17, Austin Jaramillo out of Winchester, and that good-looking Chevelle. And rounding out the field, it is the 25, Albert Hirado out of Riverside, so I'll say David Donald Masonry in BW of Murrieta. Factory stock heat race number 1. And the point leader gets a good jump on the start. That is Stites out front. Second spot is Lanny Savage. Here comes Ethan Keller in the number 99. He's running third. The 88, who's second in points, that is Kintop running in fourth. One-way stock cars here at Perris Auto Speedway. This is your entry-level class. Good size lead for Stites, who won the championship 2 years ago. When you get a chance, check out our Facebook page. There's a great video with Stites and his baby daughter on there we posted this morning. Stites making this one look easy, but look right behind him. Great battle, second back through fifth. Actually, second back through sixth. Still Savage second, Keller third. Stites out front, he's a realtor. Savage is a mechanic, Keller's a truck driver. Jaramillo got all out of shape. He slides all the way back to sixth. Oh, look out in the corner. That was Hirado, gets to the inside of Kintop and pushes him to the back. That's great racing going on from second on back. Guys all over the racetrack, high and low. Hirado just a couple of laps ago was running last. As soon as I say something, turns the back straightaway into a set of S's and drops to the back one more time. Second right now, that is Keller. Look out, Kintop. Kintop now to the inside of Savage. Move him up to third. Here comes Hurtado again. The only car up there that's not a Camaro is about to be back to last.
17's not a Camaro either.
That's the one who's going to be about last. Stick to the facts, radio boy. Last lap flag, one to go for Stites. That'll put him 3 points closer, actually 2 points closer to his championship. The second spot is a driver running in third. Steve Russell ready to wave the checkered flag. Victory goes convincingly over a full straightaway to 42, David Stites. Second spot is going to be Keller. Third spot, who taps the wall rather hard, that's Kintop. Fourth goes to Jaramillo. Fifth to Savage. And sixth to Hirado. 3:08:27 the time on the first factory stock heat race. Sponsored by his dad. You got to pull for a dude who calls himself Camaro Bro. Could be, he should have made it Camaro Bra, B-R-A-H. That would even been a little better. And rounding out the field, last year's champion who has some T-shirts he wants to sell. That's a 26, Chris Carnish out of minute 5. Promoter's lighting up here. He's happy. Green flag. Three abreast in turn number 1 in the heat race. That's not the smartest thing I've ever seen, but it works. And coming out on top of that one, it's Kelly, but it's Camaro Bro going to the inside. Here comes last year's champion Carnish. Carnish, who had a year last year that went almost perfect, has been plagued by problems this season. Two laps down this time by Camaro Bro out front. Kelly second, Carnish third. Fourth spot, it's a 26. That's the new guy, Thurman. And at the back, it's Urain, who won a main event earlier this year, maybe won more than one main event. Now just one this year for the 28 Urain. Guy out front has never raced here before. Now just one this year for the 28. Second, Carnish third. Thurman and Urain fighting for fourth. Nick Kelly trying to close in. Camaro Bro gets a little sideways. Gets a good bite off the corner, maintains the top spot. Kelly's going to look at the inside, going into turn number one.
Those races. Yeah, we're plodding along.
Six down, two to go this time by.
Another night. Yeah.
It's still the world famous Camaro Bro out front. Sounds like a movie star. Not telling the kind of movies it may be in. White flag going to come down this time by.
I got 3 others. Sorry. All right. Top 5. Yeah.
One to go. It's Camaro Bro. When we pulled in the parking lot, I looked at Chris. I thought that was Chicken Joe's car. We haven't seen Chicken for a while. Checker's going to come down this time by. First ever time at Perris Speedway. Won the name. The victory goes to Camaro Bro. Second, Kelly. Third spot goes to Carnish. Fourth spot goes to Urain. And fifth will go to Thurman.
3:08.82.
3:08.82, about a half second slower than the first.